This here is my Kubota BX25. It's actually a BX25D, and that starter needs to be replaced. So let's figure this out. Well, as you can tell, I've got the loader up in the air, and I have the engine cowling removed and the engine hood removed, and I have the battery disconnected. Now, I have videos on the battery, the hood, and the cowling, and I'll just link them down in the description so you can get right to the point where I'm at here. Today we're going to pull the starter out, and to be perfectly honest with you, I already changed it. But once I changed it, I said I should have made a video on it. So let me just show you what I did. To get to this point here, you disconnect the battery, you take the hood off, and you take the engine cowling off, and then get the loader out of the way. With the battery disconnected, you can come in here, and this is a 13 millimeter. Just spin this here off. There's a couple wires there. You'll pull them down. And then there is, and I can show you on this guy here, here is the primary starter lead, and then here's your solenoid lead. And you just clip that and pull it out. To get the starter itself out, here's the main chassis ground. You don't need to remove it. Down here is a 13 millimeter bolt with a 12 millimeter nut, and I'll try to show you the other one. There's only two, and the other one, yeah, it's gonna be hard, but it's down in there. I can't tell if I'm showing you or not, but it's, let me see. Trying to get the light down in there and without overblowing it. But right down in there, yep, let's switch sides here. Yeah, right down in there, there is the nut. I mean, a 13 millimeter bolt, that's it right there, 13 millimeter bolt. And on the other side, right up in there, let me swing this around so I can see it. Right in there, right there, is the 12 millimeter nut. Anyway, you take those out, and the starter literally just slides right out. You take your new one, and you put it right back in. Now, these starters here can be rebuilt. Mine couldn't, because the part that on it failed is not something that you can get as part of the kit. You can get the brushes and you can get the contacts here inside the solenoid, but mine, the solenoid itself failed, which is in here, and I couldn't find it. I mean, there may be something out there, but I couldn't find it. So anyway, I replaced the whole starter, and it works great. And that's about it. It is not a tough job. It takes you a while to get down into it because you got to take everything else off, but overall, pretty simple job. Did I do a perfect job? No. Did I make progress? Yes. I now have a brand new starter in my Kubota. Thanks for watching.